In this part of course, we'll be creating a piston, a vital component of four-cylinder engine. It plays a key role in combustion process, helping generate power efficiently. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Let's get started with the design. Take new design workspace. Make sure your units are in inches. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool and make it construction. From origin, we'll draw a center line. Deactivate construction. Okay. Now from the center line, we'll start drawing a line and connecting this horizontal line and a perpendicular line. This line. And okay. Follow my directions and here make sure you draw the same profile. Okay. We will revolve this after giving dimensions. From this to this, right click and take diameter dimension 20. Here 25. Okay. Now this length is 14 and this one 16. We can give constraint, horizontal constraint between this and vertical constraint. Now all these lines are in the same line. Equal. This one and this one. We'll give equal constraint to all the vertical lines. Okay. Now we'll give dimensions. This dimension is 1 and this dimension also 1. Okay, since we have given equal constraint, lines which is equal to this line, dimension will be changed to 1 automatically. This distance is 1.5. For this it is 2. Okay. Now we'll give here constraints, vertical constraints. Okay. Now the sketch is perfect. Now we can give this distance. The height is 26. Okay. Now we can close this. Let's take 3-point arc. From this point to this point, we'll draw an arc. Take line tool and make it construction and connecting this horizontal line. Okay, now we have a fully constrained sketch. We can go for Revolve feature. Invoke Revolve feature. Profile is already selected. And axis. Select this axis. Okay. So our base of the piston is ready. Now we have to create hole to connect piston pin. For that, take offset plane and select the right plane. You have to give distance 12.5. Now select this plane as sketching plane. Embark circle tool vertically from origin. We'll draw a circle of diameter 9.5 and the distance 9 and give vertical constraint. Okay. Now we can cut this. We have to cut to the opposite direction, so we will give distance minus 1.5. Okay. Let's make it isometric. Next we have to select this face as sketching plane. And here we will draw a circle of diameter 7. Okay. Now we can extrude it. Invoke extrude feature and extrude cut it. Okay. Okay, the features we have created this side will mirror to the opposite side. For that, take mirror feature and object type, select features from timeline, select extrude features, mirror plane, select the right plane. Okay. So our features have been mirrored and the piston is complete. Now we have created the piston. Next we will move on to creating the other components.